kabasam katanat public health engineering kalong kababet kababyang bandi banbam jong kipat ba kasor Shillong. Ya kanila ong menteri katanat PHE Marcuise and Marak mentakalai phawai tarik risau araja ar phawlai. Halor kajing ade ya kajing lap ka Fkjgp katkum kajing pha shim nong muna na kaleng kijaka kasor. Baka kam long ban Pyndonkam. Menteri ong ba tip na kathamay ayu ka Fkjgp katong ya ka Hanrei na kalyang ka PHE ka test ya ka man kasngi kabatan na wa yam na mauplang shwaban sam shakipad ba kasor Shillong.
For that matter, we have already given the rejoinder. My chief engineer has already given the rejoinder. However, for your query, I would like to state in this way. Every day, PHE department, before supplying the water to the Shillong city, we are testing in the Maplang treatment plant. So we draw the water from the Umyo river, we get it treated there in the Maplang treatment plant. From Maplang treatment plant, we bring the water to 6.5 miles. There's a tank in 6.5 miles. From 6.5 miles, in the 4th mile, there is again another tank. From that tank, we distribute the waters to the municipal tanks and other tanks here in the city. So basically, the water being supplied from the PHE department is clean and ready to drink, potable water, I should say. So therefore, the water which was brought by our Fkjp leaders and get it treated there, tested there somewhere. I don't know the veracity of the collection of the water samples from where they have collected. But however, for the satisfaction of our people here, we are giving the water, potable water to the people of Shillong. And if any of the PHE tanks are found contaminated or not fit to be drink, that we are looking into it. But so far, the water which we are supplying is very, very much safe to drink. That's what I can say.